Motion Friend here. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 places on the web I use for inspiration. First off the bat, we have DeviantArt. DeviantArt is an arts portal, one of the biggest ones. It's not just for painting or photography, there's a little bit of everything on there. Daily deviations are given out as rewards for good art. You can use the site to upload your own portfolio as well. There's a good mix of beginners and advanced users. Best of all, there's a lot of free brushes and free resources like the Lazy Brush set. Link in the description. ArtStation is a 3D and concept art hub with a store for purchasing assets, tutorials or models. A lot of game studio employees post great stuff on here, from environments, character art to 3D shaders. The marketplace is full of good stuff too. The last place I use for inspiration is Motionographer, which is for motion graphics news. You can see new ads, short films or motion graphics as well as industry news. Motionographer is one of the few remaining motion graphics websites on the net that stood the test of time. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.